All right, so you're curious about transferring crypto for the first time? Let me tell you, it's a bit like sending an email. If every email came with its own warning that one typo could mean you lose everything forever. Fun times. First, you need a wallet address. This is the destination for your crypto, kind of like giving someone your home address for a package. Wallets can be hot, online, more convenient, or cold, offline, more secure. Choose wisely based on your needs. Once you've got a wallet, copy its address. Always double check it, triple check it. Crypto transactions are irreversible. If you paste the wrong address, your funds are gone and you'll be left staring wistfully at your screen. No takebacks. Here's the step-by-step. Log into your exchange or wallet, select the coin you're sending, and hit Withdraw or Send. Enter the recipient's wallet address, then add the amount you want to send. Sounds simple, right? Well, wait a sec. Before confirming, watch out for network fees. These are like tolls on the highway that vary depending on the coin and network congestion. For instance, Ethereum can sometimes charge over $20 for a simple transfer. That's not a typo, $20. Pro tip, always do a test transaction first. If you're sending a large amount, send like $1 first to make sure everything works. It's worth the small fee for the peace of mind. Trust me, better safe than utterly heartbroken. When you're ready to send, your wallet or exchange will often ask for two-factor authentication, 2FA. This is a security layer. Keep your phone handy and never share your 2FA code with anyone, not even your mom. Hackers don't discriminate. Now hit send. Your transaction will go to the blockchain to get verified. Depending on the coin, this can take anywhere from seconds, like Solana, to half an hour, looking at you Bitcoin. Patience, grasshopper. If you're feeling nervous, you can track the transaction on a blockchain explorer. It's like watching your pizza delivery in real time, but less tasty. Enter the transaction ID provided by your wallet or exchange to see its progress. One of the biggest mistakes people make? Sending the wrong coin to the wrong network. For example, sending Ethereum to a Bitcoin address. That's like pouring milk into a coffee machine. It's not going to end well. If you're still unsure, start with small amounts and practice. Crypto feels like rocket science at first, but it's kind of like learning to ride a bike. A scary bike filled with money. But still, you'll get used to it. Final note, have a backup of your private keys or seed phrase. Lose that, and you lose your funds forever. Seriously, imagine forgetting where you buried a treasure chest and nobody else has the map. Yeah, that's crypto for you. Now hit the pause button and breathe. You've got this. Crypto transfers get less terrifying the more you do them, and soon you'll be moving coins like a pro. But hey, double check that address. One more time.